for our second monthly barbecue backyard box. And I am with Stanley's famous pit barbecue. So what are we actually making today?
So one of the things that actually Jordan Jackson did when he was here, we had a powwow about trying to combat the rising price of brisket at the time. We're like, dude, we got to do something with chicken. Let's make a crazy sandwich called the Mother Clucker. And we kind of all, came up with this thing. And Jordan made this clucker sauce and kind of created the build. And so it's been a really popular menu since Texas Monthly in 2014 said it was the best barbecue sandwich in the state of Texas.
Did you hear that? The best barbecue sandwich in the state of Texas, so the world. So Pitmasters Mike, so how many years did it take you to come up with this unbelievable rub that we're about to put on this tri-tip?
This was something that was developed probably about 10 years ago here in the restaurant. And former pitmaster Jonathan Shaw came up with this idea, and this is what he was using on the chicken. And but it also just goes great on pretty much anything in the backyard. You can cook a ribeye with it, put it on tri-tip.
Nice. So he's about to season this, and do not be afraid. Just hammer it on, because at the end of the day, we want you to go buy some more.
That's right.
We're going to season up this beautiful 44 farm tri-tip. Don't be afraid. He's going to get all up in there. And so we're going to, so you can smoke this if you wanted to about how much you want to get to?
You want to go to about 100 degrees.
100 degrees?
Yeah.
Because you want to smoke in the sear, right? Is that kind of like your...
That's right. Yeah.
Perfect.
The raw pall.
I want you to see this right here. This is when you know you're a real grill master in the backyard or behind Stanley's right here. Look at this grill master right here. Look how beautiful that char is. It's not burnt. That's love. Remember that. That is a perfect medium, or excuse me, rare to medium rare.
Oh, perfect. Perfect temperature by the grill master.
I know I just made that up because, so you can do this in your backyard.
Yes, you can.
With the spike. That's not fair. Bring that spike out.
Got our Pitmaster spike right here. Hit both sides of the chicken.
Like, what do you think why people don't use enough rub all the time? I always see that. I'm like, just throw enough. I promise you it's going to be okay, right?
It will be all right, yeah.
It just gives it that flavor because they don't realize the inside of it has no seasoning on it, right? So you want it to be able to give you enough that's going to be able to let you eat the whole piece of meat and know you have flavor in there, right?
That's right. Get a nice full coverage.
So let's get that sizzle going.
All right, we're going to throw it down.
So for a lot of people that don't know, because people may not know, what are we going to grill the chicken to temperature-wise?
So you want to go to about 160 degrees if you're going to let it rest to 165.
Perfect. So with this high heat, are you a flipper or do you just let it chill?
Yeah, we want to flip it.
Yeah.
Get nice even color on both sides.
So what are you looking for? Let that sear just get in for the first minute, 2 minutes, then flip?
Yeah,
okay.
Exactly.
And total time you're thinking of flipping back and forth, 10, 15 minutes, 12 minutes?
Probably about 12 minutes per
okay.
side.
We're going to party.
We'll see y'all there.
Look at this. This Nomad is going to give you those hot flames that you need.
Then you know we got to open up the Clucker sauce.
What is the Clucker sauce?
The Clucker sauce is a spicy barbecue mayonnaise, and then let me tell you what, it sets it all up.
Available.
A healthy dose right there. If it's not pouring off the sides, you didn't do it right. And let's go ahead and put the hat on. Boom.
So I know we don't have a knife and we're all family here, but I'm sorry. I got to go in and bite it.
Pick that up.
Absolutely, Joe.
Remember, get a hunch over.
Like,
get in there.
Like, look at that.
No,
right
squeeze the bun. You want to pop the...
You ready for the pop?
Oh, well, still in there.
I'm terrified about this bite. Here we go. The Mother Clucker. Oh my God.
It's tasty and delicious. This is your Guy Fieri moment right now.
Wait, come out. You told me everybody that comes to Stanley's has the opportunity to eat this?
Every day.
I would eat this every day.
Or everyone who buys a barbecue box has an opportunity to make one in your own backyard. or through Goldbelly. You can order from Goldbelly. We ship nationwide on Goldbelly. You can get Mother Cluckers on Goldbelly. Goldbelly.com. Shipping nationwide.
I'm about to say this right now, but this Clucker sauce is probably the best sauce I've ever had in my life. Andrew, we're spoiled. We're spoiled that you gave us this knowledge. Like this, like your chimichurri, this egg, just like the love and care that you put into this.
Hey, well, I appreciate it so much. Thank you guys for being here.
Grill master. I'm just playing. Probably one of the best pitmasters in the game. You got to know that. Spencer.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Nick, like, I cannot believe you allow us to come to your home. Like, thank you so
I
much.
can't believe that you allowed us to be a part of this really great thing that you're building with this barbecue box, barbecue distro.
Thank you so much. Like, this was absolutely amazing. Like, this sandwich, like, it just so blows my mind. Like, I feel so upset that I haven't had the sauce before because I just want to put the sauce on everything. Like, I'm telling you right now, this month, you get the spike and you get the clucker, and you're about to make a mother clucker this month. Let's go. bbqdistro.com.